Hello, and welcome to Math 123 for the first 8 weeks here in this fall 2024 semester. I am Becky, your fearless leader on this journey through mathematical happiness. Now, when you jump into the course, and hopefully you do this before we meet the first time, it's important that you click a bunch of buttons, check things out. Ignore the fact that this says Summer 24 in here. I'll fix that before we meet. But at any rate, just to give you a quick tour on the things that are most important here in our course. First off, time you come into Ivy Learn, click on the announcements button. Just make me feel good and just do this. Right now, there's some general information there. After I finish this video, we'll live there. And this is where I will post all of the important information throughout the first 8 weeks. So midterm information, final exam information, random things that'll make your life easier. I will post all of those in the announcements. Also, read the syllabus. You don't have to take notes and be super specific, but make sure you know what we're talking about. How is this course being graded? When do we meet? You should be there, right? Check all of these things out. If you need me, my email is in here. Please read through the syllabus. Then, on Friday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are going to meet live. Well, virtually here, through the Zoom button. So when you click on Zoom, you will notice there are 8 options because this is an 8-week course. So on Friday, August 23rd at 9 a.m., please hit the join button and join me for a fabulous time of math. Okay, before Friday, go into the module button. Now, math people are not creative. So there are 8 modules and there are 8 weeks. There you go. So first week, we are doing everything in module 1. And while you might say, this is a lot, it goes quickly. You'll notice that there are 6 items that start with a number, right? 1, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, 3B, 3C. Those are your homework assignments. So anything with a number is homework related. You also have a discussion board up here at the top. You have a quiz there at the bottom. You will also notice there's an item that says in-class work for 823. That means on Friday the 23rd, when we meet together, we will be doing that sheet together. Yes, you will have to turn it in for points, meaning if you do not come to class, you are expected to do that on your own, which is less fun than doing it together. So show up, get some easy points there. At any rate, it is going to be important for you to do things before you get to class. Because we meet on Friday mornings, if you wait until after class to start anything, you are putting yourself at a disadvantage. So please, 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 when the class opens and you have time, get in there, at least do the discussion board and start the mathematical process. Now, you may or may not have received your workbook in the mail. You should have received an email asking you if you want to pick it up or have it shipped to you. But this is just like the lecture portion of the course. I will not be lecturing on this live. That's what all of these videos are for. So you'll see section 1 video, section 2 videos, section 3 videos. We're doing 3 sections the first week. The videos go along with the workbook that you received in the mail. If you did not receive it or didn't see the email or whatever, in the learning activities, you will see where it says textbook files. If you click on that, that will take you to section 1, section 2, section 3. Those are the pages from the workbook. So you still have access to those even if you don't have that workbook in your hand. So the videos, the workbook are like the lecture portion, the learning aspect. Then you can go through and work on the homework. Alta is an adaptive platform, meaning if you just try to guess your way through the answers and you get a bunch wrong, it's going to be a longer process for you. Now, I can't click into this because it doesn't open until Monday. I feel like that's not good, and I'm going to change that so that you can get into it tomorrow, Saturday the 17th, in case you want to start early. Who am I to say no to those who want to start early? But here's the deal with Alta. You're going to want to make sure that you try on every question. If you don't know and you're very much stuck, there is an instruction button at the bottom that you can click. You can also pause, send me an email, ask a question, and I can help you along the way. All right, the big thing is ask when you have them because I don't see you until Friday. So you're going to be working every week, Monday to Thursday, on your own before I see you. At any point in time, Monday to Thursday, if you have a question, send me an email. I will get back to you, and then we'll be ready to roll when we meet on Fridays. So welcome. I'm glad you're here. Glad to be a part of your mathematical journey here in this fall 2024 semester. I will see you next Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time via Zoom. Here we go. Thanks.